Well, good morning as it is here. Today is the Wednesday, the 8th of January, 2020. And my name is Paul. Welcome to Dex Fx Markets. And I am here today to show you the results. I will keep this short and sweet, as I know a lot of you don't have a lot of time. Okay, moving on to the results. Okay, this might take a few seconds to load up. Again, because we do hold a lot of information on here, phenomenal amount. And worth waiting for it to load up. Also gives me a chance to have a quick sip of my morning coffee. Yes, well, my name's Paul, and I'm in GMT in the UK. So I'm a bit late today, unfortunately. But here we go. Okay. Right, best assets of all the dailies so far is the AUD/JPY. That's 100%. That's for the day. And again, the day's just started, so I'm not really surprised. The best assets for the week is the AUD/JPY again. And for the dailies, the best asset for the month is again the AUD/JPY. So there you go. There's not a surprise. Bearing in mind that our month is actually 30 days, so it's not month by month. So it's not Monday. It's not Monday. It's not January, February, March, April. It's actually just runs back to 30 days. Okay, having a quick look at that. Was pretty good. Okay, the 1 hour TNT results, which again is trend, negate, and trade. Coming down for the week, the Euro JPY was 100, and for the month was the Euro Great British Pound. Bearing in mind, look at these figures. I mean, to me, that's all pretty good. They all look pretty good. Okay, the only one I can really see that I'm a bit miffed about is the USD CHF. But then with all the news that we've had over the last week or so and month, it's not really surprising. And bearing in mind, we don't just throw out any old signals just for the sake of putting signals out. We want to keep them as close to perfection as we can. Of course, no one's perfect. And you'll never get anything 100%, no matter what any company promises you or guarantees you. We just like to be straightforward, upfront and honest with you. Bearing in mind that these are just tools, one part of the tools that we have for you in the signals. So moving on to the best assets of the 2 hour assets. AUD/JPY is 100% for the week. AUD/JPY is 100% for the month. And looking down again for the week and for the month, it's all looking pretty good. That's pretty good. I mean, 91%, even at one of the lowest, or 87 here, is good. Okay, moving on to the 5-minute TNT. Again, trend, negate, and trade. And Euro USD for the week, 98, and Euro JPY for the month was 97%. I mean, these are sort of fantastic odds that you don't really get anywhere else. Okay, moving on back. I said I'd call this short and sweet this morning because I've been running out of time. I've had a lot of other things happening here. But just a quick reminder that the 3 dots at the bottom, the 3 wise men as I call them, are there to help you. Any questions that you have, reference the Dex Fx Markets, anything to do with that sort of side of it and trading. Pop in, ask the question here. The only stupid question, as I always say, is the question that's not asked. You might think it's a bit silly, or you might seem to think anything derogatory about the question that you're asking. Don't worry, we've heard it all before. And if you've thought of the question, I'm sure somebody else has, and we will answer it for you. Okay, on that, have a fantastic day, people. This is Paul signing off, and hopefully speak to you all tomorrow and see you on the inside.